Sa araw na ito, mahalaga po na ating tingnan ang pinagbuklod ng Diyos.
I am Brian. Take you, Arlene, to be my wedded wife, to have and to hold from this day forward, for better or for worse, for richer or for poorer, in sickness and in health, to love and to cherish, till death do us part.
Sana sa araw na ito, kayo ay mapuspos ng kagalakan na nagmula sa Panginoon. Kayo ay mapuspos ng biyaya na nagmula sa Panginoon. Ang mga ikinasal sa simbahan ay pinabanan ng Diyos.
Kung natatandaan mo, sabi ko agad, I love you, Bri. At yun nga, sa'yo, seryoso na pala yun. At ayun, araw-araw na tayo nagtawagan, umaga at gabi.
Ang buhay pag-asawa ay hindi lamang kasiyahan, kundi kagalakan na kahit maraming hinaharap sa buhay, patuloy pa rin na natili sa pagmamahal. Remain in God's love.
You see yourself growing old with me, watching my head turn. Could you live with me in my mistakes and the ones I have yet to make? So when our eyes have seen their better days and our hearing starts to fade, push your arms around my neck and your heart on your chest. Still sound the same. I love you will still sound the same.
I promise to always fight for you, pursue you, and love you wholeheartedly and unconditionally for the rest of my life.
Sound the same. I can see our dreams inside of a child long after us fade away.
Thank you for the love. At ramdam ko yon kahit na sabi nila sa Bisaya, aslom ako sa ibang tanawon, pero ako naman ang pinaka beautiful sa iyo.
When our ring starts to rust and our skin starts to age, remember the promise we made. Hey! So when our eyes have seen their better days and our hearing starts to fade, push your arms around my neck and your heart on your chest. I love you will still sound the same. I love you will still sound the same. Hey, 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 hey.
15 years, ramdam ko yung pagmamahal mo sa akin at sa anak natin. At thank you sa pagtanggap sa kay Lovely din. At salamat at sa lahat ng mga pinagdaanan natin, hindi ka talaga pumitaw. Thank you at mamahalin kita habang buhay.
Starts to fade. Put your arms around my neck and your heart on my chest. I love you will still sound the same. I love you will still sound the same. Hey, yeah,
I truly love you with all my heart and soul. For the rest of my life, I will always be with you. Love you, Nanan.
will still sound the same.